Welcome! In this video we're going to cover creating a dynamic query using a variable filter. First I'm going to make sure that I have my view open and ready to be modified. I'm then going to go in the Parameters tab and add my first parameter. The first parameter will be a combo box with the data type set to none. I'm also going to add a description and set the name of the parameter to filter by. Next, I'm going to add the values that will be used for the variable filter in the values list. For this example, I'm going to be using contact name and city for the variable filters, so that is what I'm going to add to the values list. The names must match exactly for this to work. Once I have added the values, I'm going to set the variable filter property to true. I am then going to add two variable filters and name them the same way I named them in the filter by parameters values list, which was contact name and city. Once the names have been set for the variable filters, we will need our statements that will be passed into the dynamic query. For city, the statement is select distinct city from customers. For contact name, the statement is select contact name from customers. Once we have our statements, we will need to create another parameter. For the new parameter, the dynamic property will need to be set to true. The dynamic query is going to use the filter by parameter, so I'm going to put filter by. It is important to note that when referencing a parameter, the name must be between two question marks. This is how VDM checks for parameters. Next, I'm going to change the prompt page to 2 and then add another parameter page. The type property will be set to in with the data type of string. As always, I'm also going to set a description and set the name of the parameter to filter. The last step is creating the filter statements using the filter parameter. My filter statement is going to be the customer's contact name in filter or customer's city in filter. Once the report is ran, we should be given the choice to choose between contact name and city. Depending on the selection of this parameter, the inbox on the second parameter page will use a different dynamic query, allowing us to change our filter criteria on runtime. If you would like additional information on parameters or other sections of VDM, check the links in the description.